the PWD Minister Parvesh Verma, who will be visiting the ghats of the Yamuna. There you can see visuals on your screen of the PWD Minister, who is hopeful that in the next 3 to 3.5 years, boating and jogging will start on the banks of the river Yamuna. The entire 48-kilometer stretch will be redeveloped into a green zone comprising of a jogging path, a picnic spot dotted with small eateries and stalls, and of course, by making the rules against river pollution even more stricter. The industries releasing the industrial waste into the Yamuna are now going to be fined, and very heavy fines will be imposed. The BJP government is focusing on rejuvenating the Yamuna and plans to introduce a river cruise as well in order to serve this, as a boost when it comes to tourism. Well, we have Ishika joining us. Ishika, you are on that boat. Take us through what all is on the agenda, the plans that the PWD minister has for the Yamuna.
Well, in fact, today the PWD minister in the Delhi government, Parvesh Verma, has come here to take a stock, rather inspection of the cleaning work that continues to go on at the Yamuna. In fact, today he is inspecting the entire stretch from the Signature Bridge to the ITO Chhatghat to the Okhla Barrage. You can in fact see that just, ahead of us is his boat. You can see where, all the officers of the Delhi government are present along with the minister Parvesh Verma, as we are trying to show you in the visuals here. Now, in fact, we have seen that, the Yamuna has been a really big issue in this election, and the BJP had in fact promised that they will not just be cleaning Yamuna, but they will also be in fact promoting tourism on Yamuna. So first priority of the government here seems to be on the cleaning of the Yamuna. Because of that, the machines also had been deployed, the seed harvesters, and today the PWD minister has come as to how much of the cleaning work has already been done. After that, certainly the Delhi government plans to also, in fact, come with the cruise service on Yamuna. So certainly you can see the officials there in the boat as we are trying to show you. Just the boat ahead of us is the minister's boat, where in fact all the officials are currently briefing him regarding the cleaning work that is going on at the Yamuna, and in fact, they are expecting that by 2027 the results will start to show, and after which they will be able to come up with the cruise service here. So here, certainly after this, we are also expecting a briefing by the PWD minister Parvesh Verma as soon as his inspection ends. But till now, he continues to say that the emphasis is on Yamuna. It has been a big issue for the BJP, and they plan to clean it by 2027 on a mission mode, and then in fact promote tourism by in fact coming up with the cruise service here. Over to you.
Of course, the Yamuna project has really been something that the Aam Aadmi Party had spoken of before they came into power. But, the BJP had been slamming the Aam Aadmi Party during the election, saying that nothing had really been done. And look at the state of the Yamuna. But, of course, taking charge of the situation, as we can see the PWD minister there hitting the ground running. He took charge just last week, Ishika, and there he's visiting the ghats of the Yamuna. In fact, he is taking, stock of the entire stretch. It's a 48-kilometer stretch that will now be redeveloped into a green zone. Take us through the plans that the BJP really has for the Yamuna in terms of, the kind of deadline that they have also set aside, saying that it is going to take about 3 to 3.5 years before they clean up their act.
Well, Divya, very interestingly, I'll also like to tell you, when the election campaign was going on, it was Parvesh Verma himself who had then taken us to the Yamuna Ghats, if you remember, and then had shown the polluted condition of the Yamuna. And today, in fact, after being in power as the PWD minister, he has come now to inspect the cleaning work. Now, as we are showing you the visuals, we'll also like to show you the visuals of the Yamuna here. You can see that Parvesh Verma, along with the officials of the Delhi government, is currently inspecting the situation here. And, they are certainly briefing him regarding how much of cleaning work has already been done. Remember, it was before the BJP government even was formed. Even then, the work on Yamuna already started, because there were machines, the seed harvesters, which were already in fact employed. And in fact, we are showing you the live visuals here. You can see the PWD Minister Parvesh Verma currently, in fact, taking stock of the situation. He is currently with the officials here. It is the entire stretch that we are talking about. From the Signature Bridge to the ITO Chatghat to the Okhla Barrage that he is currently inspecting. And you can see him in the visuals currently, and he's being briefed by the officials, because, it has been a really big issue with the BJP. They have been saying that cleaning the Yamuna River is a priority for them, and, they have also discussed as to how they will be cleaning like this, Sabarmati River front. And then after that, to promote the tourism also, there also they have been setting a deadline. The deadline that is being given is of around 2027 is when they are expecting that the cleaning work will almost be completed, and they will then be planning to introduce, in fact, the cruise service here at the Yamuna, so that even the tourism can, increase here. So a 360-degree change at the Yamuna is what the BJP government is promising, and for that certainly the inspections are going on. Remains to be seen that in how much time will it actually be cleaned. Over to you.